enthusiasts and history buffs. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the fascinating stories behind rare coins. Today, we have a real gem to talk about, the 2010 Elizabeth II 5 pence coin. We'll delve into its historical significance, its current value, and why it's a must-have for collectors. So, without further ado, let's get started. The year 2010 marked a significant moment for the United Kingdom as it released a new design for the 5 pence coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II. This design is part of a larger series of coinage changes introduced to reflect the different regions of the UK. Let's take a closer look at the design. On the obverse side, we have the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, the longest reigning monarch in British history. This rendition of Her Majesty was created by Ian Rank Broadley. On the reverse side, the coin features an image of the badge of Scotland, the thistle, which is a well-known symbol representing Scotland's heritage and resilience. Rarity and condition play a significant role in determining the value of coins. Now, the 2010 5 pence coin is not particularly rare, as it was widely circulated. However, coins in mint condition or with unique characteristics can command a premium among collectors. So, how much is a 2010 Elizabeth II 5 pence coin worth today? Well, the value can vary depending on several factors. On average, a circulated coin might fetch you its face value or a bit more. However, if you happen to possess a coin in pristine, uncirculated condition, it could be worth anywhere from a few pounds to potentially even more, especially if it carries any special markings or errors. Collecting coins isn't just a hobby, it can also be a rewarding investment. The 2010 Elizabeth II 5 pence coin is a great entry point for beginners due to its availability. If you're considering investing, keep an eye out for graded coins from reputable coin grading services, as they can authenticate and assess the coin's condition, boosting its appeal to serious collectors and investors. If you're interested in collecting these coins, here are a few tips to keep in mind. The 5 pence coin is a small circulating denomination of the British decimal, pound sterling. In August 2005, the Royal Mint launched a competition to find new reverse designs for all circulating coins apart from the £2 coin. The winner, announced in April 2008, was Matthew Dent, whose designs were gradually introduced into the circulating British coinage from mid-2008. In a world-first concept, the designs for the 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p, 20p and 50p coins depict sections of the royal shield that form the whole shield when placed together. The shield in its entirety is featured on the £1 coin. The new 5p coin design, which replaced the earlier 5p design by Christopher Ironside, depicts the center of the royal shield, showing the meeting point of the four quarters, with the value and denomination 5 pence in the middle. The coin's obverse remains largely unchanged, but the beading, the ring of dots around the coin's circumference, which no longer features on the coin's reverse, has also been removed from the obverse. The 5 pence coin was originally minted from cupronickel, but since 2012 it has been minted in nickel-plated steel due to the increasing price of metal. From January 2013, the Royal Mint began a program to gradually remove the previous cupronickel coins from circulation with replacement by the nickel-plated steel versions. Coins issued in 2010 have now been circulating for 13 years. 5 pence and 10 pence coins are legal tender only up to the sum of £5. This means it is permissible to refuse payment of sums greater than this amount in 5p and 10p coins to settle a debt. Educate yourself about the coin's history and design. Understand the grading system to evaluate a coin's condition accurately. Join online forums or local numismatic clubs to connect with fellow collectors. And there you have it, folks. The 2010 Elizabeth II 5 pence coin, a small piece of history that holds both sentimental and monetary value. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, this coin offers a fascinating glimpse into the UK's numismatic world. Remember, while its value may change over time, the joy of collecting remains constant. Thank you for joining us on this coin adventure. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more captivating content, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming historical journeys. Until next time, keep exploring and keep collecting.